वॉर्ड नंबर 2 आयज हॉटमिक्स जाल्लेले आसा बाय PWD डिपार्टमेंट आनी हांव आमदाराक थँक्यू म्हणटा की म्हापशान आयज हॉटमिक्स चालू जाल्लें आसा. आमी पळयता की वॉर्ड नंबर 9 आंगण तशेंच मार्केट हे दोनूय इम्पॉर्टंट आसा हॉट मिक्सिंग करपाचें आनी आमदारान आमच्या एश्युरन्सूय दिल्लें आसा की बिफोर मनसून तें जातलें म्हणून. हांव आमदाराचेर विश्वास दवरून वयता की आमच्या हरच्या घरा खातीर दोनूय ज्यो प्लेसीस आसा ज्यो प्रायोरिटी आसा त्यो जातल्योच म्हणून. आनी चड करून आमी फोकस आमच्या मार्केटाचेर आसा की मनसूनाक जावच्या पयलीं मार्केटूय चड करून घेवचें म्हणून. आनी आमदारान आमचें जें प्रॉमीस केल्लें आसा तें आमदार फुलफील करतलो म्हणून म्हाका फूल गॅरंटी. तशेंच आमचे PWD डिपार्टमेंट आमचे ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर आनी आमचे आमदार जोशवा पेटर डिसिल्वा हांकां थँक्यू म्हणटा की तेंच्यांनी हे प्रायोरिटी दिवन आयज हें काम स्टार्ट केल्लें आसा म्हापसा.
Finally, in Kucheli, Ward number 2, the work of resurfacing, reprofiling, cross drain, pavers, all this is part of estimated of 2.5 crores worth tender that is being done by Abdullah. The work is commenced today and we are expecting it to finish over the next 10 days or so. There are two to three phases of this work. Right now they are doing the base layer of BM. Subsequently there are stretches. You can look at this one chamber that is much higher than the road level. All this repair along with widening in certain areas. There are certain areas that require cross drains. There are certain areas that require pavers, interlocking pavers in places that see a lot of erosion. Also, as you go towards Marna, you can see a very uneven road profile. There will be a full profile correction with GSP from the bottom right till the top layer. So, very, very intense work. Maka yaad heta prior to 2022, there was a WRD that had dug this entire road. Yeah, lokani zaide tras chaldele asa. And today I am happy to say that finally the wait is over. And though it has taken a long time to get this work approved, it involves multiple small jobs. That's the reason it got delayed. But we are finally here today, and we can kick-start a series of works that will take place in Mapsa constituency. This being one of the first over this weekend, coming weekend, as much as possible before the monsoon. Mapsa constituency. We have Mapsa Market roads, we have Subyard road, we have Bus Stand road, we have Ward number 9, we have some portion of Tausado, we have of course this area Kucheli, we have the main road from Green Park right up till Numan Temple in Mapsa. That also has a component of milling where we scrape the existing road and resurface the entire road. That will also have again profile correction. Certain works that we have never seen before in Mapsa. For the first time we are looking at milling that will take place in Mapsa. I will also with of course the help of all of you all bring to the notice of the public what exactly we are doing, why it has taken so long, what is the reason why these works are so expensive, and we are looking at long-term sustainability of the work. That is why the costs of all these roads are much higher than normal.
But the rain is just hanging around. Do you feel that it will get...
See, once if the road gets about 4 to 5 days of good climate, definitely it will last. We have done work prior to the monsoons before. So ultimately it is as the work orders come, as the plant is available, as the machinery is available, the contractors can start. We can see work going on across the entire north of Goa. I have not visited South Goa, so I would not be able to comment what is going on in South Goa. But North Goa, all the constituencies in Bardes have been seeing resurfacing of roads over the last 15-20 days.
Expensive? 10 days, no? Expected.
This work is about 10 days. They will finish the resurfacing within 2 days, Mara? 2 दिवसा भीतर they will finish the whole resurfacing. After that they will start the remaining works.
आयज वॉर्ड नंबर 2 वॉर्ड मिक्सिंग स्टार्ट जाता वॉर्ड नंबर 2 ते वॉर्ड नंबर 1 मेरेन एंड मेरेन शिवोलच्या रोडाक कनेक्टेड आनी म्हाका बरें दिसता की आज फर्स्ट टायम म्हणजे म्हापशान पयली सुरवात हांगासरल्यान केली आमदारान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी एक गोश्ट म्हणजे तेणी आतां सांगलें की ग्रीन पार्कांच्यान अप टू मारुती टेम्पला कडेन स्क्रॅप करून काडून परत ती सर्व म्हणजे बऱ्यापैकी रोड जाता खरेंच ही गरज आशिल्ली बरो विचार केलो आनी खरेंच म्हणजे एक तर सगळे आख्खे पयलें आमी की परत हॉटलिस्ट करून खुबशे रोड वयर येयल्ले आसा सो खंय तरी परत नव्यान कशी सुरवात जातली आनी अशेंच खुबशे रोड म्हणजे इंटरनल रोड पासून ऑलरेडी आमी फुडें म्हणजे आमदाराच्या फंडांच्यानूच MLA फंडांच्यानूच ऑलरेडी रेज केल्ले आसा सो ते बेगीन जावचे अशें हांव ताका विनंती करता बेगींतले बेगीन इंटरनल रोड करून घेवचे.
So today we are getting this road done up in Kuncheli from this junction right till the Manna start of Manna. This road actually has a lot of traffic, but the problem is that there have been different agencies, working on it, from the electricity to the PWD, and the road then has gone down in many places. So every time the patch up has happened, there are more potholes. Right now, because of with this thing, we were having a lot of issues and a lot of problems with minor accidents taking place. Besides that, the cattle also coming on the road.